Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lgqueenhomedecor. My name is Linda and I'm really excited you're here. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, so please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm making a couple of spring and summer home decor DIYs that are very affordable and beautiful, so if you're interested, keep on watching. For the first DIY, you'll need a floral wreath from Dollar Tree, 6 flower bouquets from Dollar Tree, wire cutters, a hot glue gun, white paint, a paintbrush, a welcome sign from Hobby Lobby, and ribbon. Starting off, I'm using my wire cutters to cut off the stems, and I'm going to leave about 1.5 inches to place in the wreath. Then once I have all of my stems cut off, I'm going to grab a piece of ribbon and make a knot to be able to hang it on the wall. You can even use a longer piece of ribbon and make a bow to hang it on the wall, which would look really pretty and girly. I tied it about 3 times and then I used my scissors to cut off the excess ribbon. Before we continue with this DIY, I want to thank Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Scentbird is a monthly subscription service that gives you the opportunity to sample from over 600 brands in the fragrance, cosmetics, skincare, and wellness categories. Scentbird lets you choose a new designer fragrance for women and men to try every month for just $15. With each fragrance, you'll get a 30-day supply, which is 120 to 140 sprays. That's way more than you'll get in a trial vial you get at the store. You can upgrade to receive 2 or 3 products a month. Scentbird partners with all of the top brands like Prada, Gucci, and Tom Ford, as well as indie labels like Glossier, Nest, and Toka, so you know you're getting 100% authentic scents all the time. They have cologne too, so you can order it for him or sign him up. They have products from other categories like skincare, wellness, and makeup. They carry such brands as Kapari, Glam Glow Recipe, Tarte, and more, all products that can be part of your subscription. This month I tried Burberry Brit EDT, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, and Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy. To take the perfume out, all you have to do is twist the top and pull the perfume out. Then when you want to put it back in, just push it in and twist it down. I chose these scents because I love fruity smells for the spring and summer and I've been wanting to try them. They all smell amazing. I highly recommend Scentbird for trying out your perfume instead of buying the whole bottle at once. Since they also have skincare, I picked the Elemis Eye Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment for my mom to try out. I will leave a 30% off discount code in my description box so you can try out your first perfume for just $10. Thank you again to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and continue with our spring and summer DIYs. Here I added hot glue to the wreath to add the flowers with stems. I'm going to repeat this step all throughout until the wreath is completely covered. I purchased this floral vase from Dollar Tree and added thin rhinestone wrap on top of the vase, followed by gluing these rhinestone beads. You can find them on Amazon. I'll leave a link to them in my description box with everything else you'll need for these DIYs. I added white rocks from Dollar Tree because they automatically bring a spring and summer vibe, and I placed a silver tea light in the middle of the rocks for lighted decor. Here's how the first DIY turned out, and I'm going to show you how you can style these DIYs in different ways other than this setup that you see here. I'm going to make a spring welcome wreath out of this DIY and then use a glam vase with rocks as part of my living room table decor. Let me know which style is your favorite. I purchased this welcome sign from Hobby Lobby and it was $5.99, but I used a 40% off coupon that I got online. Make sure to use a coupon every time because they have them available on their website if they aren't already 50% off at the store. When I finished painting, I let it dry for 30 minutes and then I added my E6000 glue to the back sides of the welcome sign. Make sure you use a real paintbrush. I used the one that I had because I didn't have a paintbrush on hand and it was late when I was making this DIY to go out and buy another one. I let the glue dry overnight and then hung it on the wall using a command hook. These DIYs are very simple and easy to make. I highly recommend making your own, and if you do, please share them with me on my Instagram. It's Lgqueenhomedecor. I would love to see and share your pictures. For the last DIY, you will need one long block of floral foam, 3 floral bouquets of your choice. I have peonies and dahlias. I found these really pretty mirror mini vases at Dollar Tree and knew they would be perfect to create floral arrangements. I've seen similar vases at HomeGoods, but for $1 you can't beat it. Then when the season changes, you can switch out the florals. These were such a great find. The foam is really easy to cut with a knife, so be careful. You can pick whatever color you want. I chose these hot pink and white florals because to me they scream spring and summer. What are the colors you're using to decorate this season? Here's how this DIY turned out. I made 3 mini floral arrangements and I added a mirror from Dollar Tree right under each of them so you can see how it looks if you wanted to do it for your home. This DIY would look even more beautiful with the rhinestone mirror display I made in a recent video. I'll leave the link to that in my description box if you want to see what I'm talking about, and I'm telling you guys, you will love it. This last DIY is the most easiest and has such a beautiful and glam outcome. I picked up a spring mini plastic tray that says hello from Dollar Tree and added my favorite rhinestone wrap around it. I cut the rhinestone wrap to fit the sides of the tray, and I'll leave the link to this rhinestone wrap in my description box. I knew this little tray would be perfect for placing my keys on the entryway table. You can even use this to place your jewelry or makeup on top. This concludes today's video. Thank you for watching, and I want to give a special thanks to everyone who has given me so much love and support throughout my time here on YouTube. I appreciate each sweet message you take the time to write me. It never goes unnoticed. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and you want to see more glam home decor DIYs. I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Take care.